We are talking about carbamazepine. We normally call it CPZ. We were asked to do a special run for our mental patients. We now finished them. We are packing them, and we're doing our final tests now. We should actually have them out by this Friday.
Okay, and then on the issue of 6.7 million that the Reserve Bank says it dispersed to pharmaceutical companies.
Yes, the Reserve Bank said it dispersed 6.7 million to pharmaceutical companies. I do understand some of it was in the forms of letters of credit. I can confirm that Datlabs didn't get any of that money, although we think we are the biggest pharmaceutical company. We are still to get who was allocating those monies, but we know who got the allocations, and we were not one of those companies that got the allocation.
And then on the issue of LVPs?
The LVPs, the factories here, we need about $2 million to upgrade it, and we will then be running. We're concentrating on upgrading the other tableting site. Now that we are most complete, we will then turn our concentration onto the LVP side. The problem is the forex at the moment, because some of these things have to be imported.
How will the country benefit from this plant?
It will benefit because it means then we do not have to be importing these strips from neighboring countries in Europe. As you know, the product is also bulky, so we're spending quite a lot of money on transport costs. So we'll be making here and distributing right onto the door of the hospitals.
Is this the same plant that produces the intravenous fluids?
These are the intravenous fluids that we're talking about.
Okay.
And as I said, we produce, it's got a capacity of doing 1.8 million units in one shift. And Zimbabwe only needs 1.1, 1.2. So we are more than capable of supplying the whole of the country.
And then on the issue of Kemfake?
No, the Kemfake product, we are happy, we are proud by what we have done. It's a new product that we introduced. It's done well in the market. You will see on the marketing surveys that it's actually moved on to top 100 brands last year, and they're doing a current survey. We are confident it's going into the top 20 brands in Zimbabwe. It's the Kemfake that has enabled us to do that 2.5 million upgrade of the tableting suite.
Okay, and then the issue of, you mentioned that you're running low on production. Maybe
yes, we're running very low on production, and we might actually even stop before the holidays. We need the raw materials. As we heard from the technical director, we haven't been getting any foreign currency, so we're in a situation where raw materials are very, very much down now. So we might have to stop until we've got enough raw materials to run.
Okay,
what sort of raw materials do you require?
We require, you see, even if you see a small tablet, even like Panado, it would have about 12 ingredients in it. So we get these materials from various and different countries, mostly India, China, and some from Europe, but mostly India and China. But there are lots of them. We carry quite a wide variety of raw materials.
I also wanted to find out, Mr. Moyo, the plant which is being commissioned is the tablet manufacturing plant.
Yes, it's the tablet manufacturing plant.
Okay.
We've also upgraded what we call the liquid creams and ointment site.
Okay.
Yes, where we pass guys packing. Okay. That has been upgraded as well. But we're concentrating on the tableting side. Okay. Yes.
I also wanted to find out, because this is not the first time that government officials have been touring this company. How useful has been their tours? Are they bringing anything tangible to the company?
Yeah, I think some of them, when they tour here, they go out there and they do represent us. I was with the deputy minister yesterday, and he insisted on coming here. I told him all our problems, but he wanted to see the machines that we have purchased. He wanted to see the upgrade that we have done, so that when he goes there, he says, I've been there personally and seen them. These guys have done this, but can we help them with the foreign currency? It helps to have somebody in here, because when you are based outside the capital, you cannot run to the Reserve Bank at any time. You know, you have to go on as Zimbabwe sometimes doesn't turn up, and then you know, go again. But you know, we do have some good relationships with some people at RBZ, and you know, they do listen. But yeah, as I say, I think there is a shortage of foreign currency, you know, countrywide.
We were marketing, they're the clothing manufacturing people, and they also got a positive attitude. They're saying we don't want to talk about the problems. We all know our problems. We don't have a foreign currency. So let's come together and find the solution, how best we can come over that problem and go forward. The same thing here also you can see in Datlabs. They've done their part. Out of 4.5 million, they've almost 2.5 million they provided for that imports. Now they're only short of $2 million, which is it's reasonable, and that I think we should do as a government also to support these kind of companies because they are not dependent and they got a better future for the exports. If we have given them that kind of help, the export will bring more foreign currency back to the country, which is very good for us.
Okay.